Oh man, back in the barber shop. Love it. Yesterday, this is what I got my hands on, guys. The Babyliss Pro Gold FX trimmers. I've been waiting for these for so long. And also I got these, the 245s, the wireless charging docks, which I've already had for a little while. I've had it for a couple of days and I've been trying it out with my Babyliss FX clippers. Amazing, guys. I'm gonna do a little review on that in a little bit. Let's go and unbox this baby right here, the Gold FX trimmer. Yeah. All right, let's get it open. Let's get it open. Oh, it seems like it was a lot easier than I thought. Okay, here we go. Let's pull this out. I don't want to mess up the blade there. There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot bulkier. Interesting. Oh, I love this part right here, guys. That part right there, how the blade protrudes like that. I love it. And the grip, it's just like my other clipper. I hope it's not like, doesn't feel as flimsy. Oh, look at that. That's fucking awesome, guys. That's awesome, guys. I love it. All right, let's see. I think the 245 rechargeable thing probably fits on that. So let me see what I can do. Give me a second. Oh, this is different. Let's see. Let's pull this out. Well, you guys can probably find this somewhere online, but let's see. It looks like it definitely fits. Let me pop it on for you guys. It pops right on. This way, I really don't have to keep plugging the trimmers in every time I need a charge. So let's see. I'll put this one aside. See if it works, fellas. Ooh, there it is. Nice. There it is. I can't wait to use it. You know what? I'm gonna just record myself using these real fast, guys. I'm so hyped. Can't wait to get my hands on a client with these. You know what? Let's hop to it. Let's do a couple clients. All right, guys. So I came over to the table and I actually adjusted my blade with the blade adjuster that the Gold FX brings. I loosened up the screws in the back here, right there and right here, and I actually put the blade really nice and close how I like it, guys. So now I'm pretty much ready to go, ready to hit it. All right, so looking at the first line I've ever done with this machine, you guys can see it looks, hold on, let me turn them around. Looks nice and crispy. So definitely hitters. These machines are definitely hitting real nice. All right, guys. Definitely official. Definitely cutting just like I wanted to cut. Look at this. Probably definitely worth the money, guys. This thing is definitely worth the money. There it is. Look at that. Those sharp lines. Love it.